When temperatures soar, keeping a home cool can feel like a constant battle. In areas known for intense summer heat, windows play a major role in how comfortable a home feels and how hard cooling systems have to work. Older windows often allow heat to pour inside, making indoor spaces uncomfortable and energy bills climb. For homeowners in Austin, replacement windows are one of the most effective upgrades for staying cooler during extreme heat. Why old windows struggle in hot conditions? Many older windows were not designed to handle prolonged high temperatures. Single-pane glass, worn seals, and outdated frames allow heat to transfer easily into the home. Sunlight passing through inefficient windows can quickly raise indoor temperatures, especially in rooms with large window areas. In Austin homes, this heat gain forces air conditioning systems to run longer and harder, increasing wear and energy costs. Advanced glass that reflects heat. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced glass technology that helps reduce heat transfer. Specialized glass coatings reflect a significant portion of the sun's heat while still allowing natural light to enter. For Austin homeowners, this means enjoying bright interiors without the uncomfortable heat that often accompanies direct sunlight. Improved insulation for stable indoor temperatures. Replacement windows typically feature multiple panes of glass with insulating layers in between. This construction creates a barrier that slows down heat movement from outside to inside. In Austin homes, better insulation helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, even during peak afternoon heat. Blocking air leaks that let heat in. Air leaks around old window frames allow hot outdoor air to seep into the home. Even small gaps can significantly impact indoor comfort. Replacement windows are built with tight seals and precision construction that block these leaks. For Austin homeowners, this means less hot air entering the home and improved overall comfort. Reducing hot spots near windows. One of the most common complaints with old windows is the presence of hot spots near window areas. Replacement windows help eliminate these uncomfortable zones by reducing heat transfer and drafts. In Austin homes, this allows rooms to be used comfortably throughout the day, even during extreme heat. Lower strain on cooling systems. When windows prevent excess heat from entering the home, air conditioning systems don't have to work as hard to maintain comfortable temperatures. This reduces system strain and improves efficiency. For Austin homeowners, this can lead to lower energy bills and a longer lifespan for cooling equipment. Enhanced comfort without blocking views. Modern replacement windows are designed to manage heat without sacrificing visibility. Homeowners can enjoy clear views and natural light while staying cool indoors. In Austin, this balance helps create comfortable living spaces that still feel open and inviting. Supporting a more energy-efficient home by reducing heat gain and air leaks, replacement windows contribute to overall home energy efficiency. Stable indoor temperatures help reduce energy waste and improve comfort. For Austin homeowners, energy-efficient windows are an investment that delivers long-term savings and improved daily living. Professional installation maximizes cooling benefits. Even the best replacement windows need proper installation to perform effectively. Professional installation ensures windows are sealed correctly and fit precisely. In Austin homes, expert installation ensures replacement windows deliver their full cooling benefits during extreme heat. A cooler home starts with better windows. Extreme heat doesn't have to define indoor comfort. Replacement windows help Austin homes stay cooler by reflecting heat, improving insulation, and blocking air leaks. With modern window technology and professional installation, homeowners can enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient home, even during the hottest days of summer.